Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today, I've come back with a step-to-step tutorial on how to change your chat theme on Instagram. With the Instagram chat theme feature, you'll be allowed to choose colors for your Instagram DMs. The classic mode for your Instagram DM chat theme might look pretty boring over the time while you use Instagram. So in order to customize and add themes to the chat screen, you can easily do this on Instagram. Before beginning, if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. First, go tap open your Instagram application from the app drawer. Soon after you open it, from your home screen of Instagram, open the DM section. To open up the DM section, go and tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner. This will open up all of the chat lists that you've made on Instagram. Select any chat that you'd like to change the theme on. Now, from this screen, tap on the username of the person at the top of the screen. This will open up a new page from where you can go to the themes option and tap it on. From the pop-up menu that appears in the display at the bottom, choose any theme that you'd like to use for your chat screen on Instagram. Simply tap on the theme that you'd like to use and then go back to the chat screen. As you can see that you have added a pretty cool theme on your chat screen on Instagram. When you choose a theme for your conversation page, the other participant will get a notification about it. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.